Hello, hello. If you would like to join me for an unboxing, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am super excited to do this video. This just arrived, and I will say right off the bat, this product that is in here is being sent to me for free. I did not pay for it. I was not asked to do a review or anything like that, but I decided she went through the trouble of being so kind to send this to me for free that I would go ahead and do an unboxing and show y'all what I got. And I'm excited. So a little bit of a backstory. This is from the Feather and Bloom company, and Julie has been just so wonderful. And so as far as if you guys have any book cozy needs, definitely check out her Etsy shop. She is opening back up and putting up new listings. This is the one that I purchased with my own money, and I believe this is the standard size with the front pocket. So I have a book in here, and before in my original video I had a really big book and it really filled it out. This one is kind of more of a standard book and it definitely doesn't fill it. But one great thing for the front pocket that I discovered later was I can fit my Kindle in the front pocket as well. So it's really nice, and obviously I haven't been using it because my battery is dying, but it is really nice to be able to have both of your reading materials with you when you want to be able to read, and you can kind of throw this whole pouch in another bag and not worry that you're going to bend your book up. Her cozies are super, super good quality. So with that being said, Julie reached out to me and asked me if I would like a larger version, and she just was so sweet. And so I'm just so grateful, for her and, for her generosity. And so even though I know this is a larger size, I told her to go ahead and surprise me as far as the material goes. And so that is what she did. So this is like true happy mail. So let's look at it together. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Okay. So this is basically, let me see, can I even, it's so big. I love it. Yeah, I barely can get it in frame. So let's take it out. Who am I kidding? So her packaging is really cute. She's got that little Feather and Bloom sticker. And I actually was kind of surprised it came today. So it definitely, like I said, true happy mail and truly a surprise. So big. And that's like her little logo there. So cute. And oh, so sweet. Okay, so let's just look at size-wise for the large versus the standard. And so you can definitely see it's definitely much bigger. Oh, I just love that. I love that pattern. It's just so pretty. Okay. So, and it does have the big pocket again. So what I'm curious about is I have a big fat Bible that I don't have a cover for, and I happened to bring it. So this is the John MacArthur Study Bible, And I was really curious if this fat boy would fit in here. I don't know if it's gonna, but let's see. Oh, it might be too fat. Okay, it's gonna be too fat, but that's okay. I was wondering, I was like, I'm gonna get a really big book and I'm gonna see if I can fit it in there. But I do have, I have another one that isn't quite as fat because this is like a really big study Bible. It's thick. It would fit generally, height-wise, but it's just too thick to fit in there the other way. So that's totally fine. But I do actually have another Bible that will probably fit in here. So I kind of cut the video so that I could just come back. So even though my extremely big, thick and fat John MacArthur one won't fit, which is kind of expected because it's pretty huge. One of his standard commentaries, which is still pretty thick, fits in here with lots of room. And something like this is actually a really cool idea because, let me just get this on here, you can put your commentary and then you can have a notebook. Let's see if this one will fit. Yeah, you can kind of